are you making?
What are you making? So now get the crackers from these crackers. You got to put them on your plate first. That's a knife. You can use it since Mommy's watching you. Now get the crackers and you put some on your plate.
Because she asks.
Yeah, you put that in there. But you have to take the crackers out first.
You're learning how to cook, aren't you?
Do you need some help? Are two stuck in there? Here. Is that better? Good. And you put some on your cracker. Good. Smear it on there. Yeah. Do you want some help? Okay.